Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to increase bass on Spotify for iPhone. Let's get started. Alright. First things first. Make sure you have your Spotify app open. In the top left corner, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. After that, click on the Settings and Privacy option. Now, once you're in the settings, navigate to the playback option. It's usually right there. Easy to find. Click on it. Now, scroll down until you find the equalizer option. This is where we can fine-tune our audio experience. Now, if you're in a hurry or just want a quick bass boost, you can go ahead and select the bass booster preset. That'll give you a decent bump. But, if you're like me and you want to take control, let's manually adjust it. The bass primarily operates between 60 Hz and 250 Hz. So, these are the frequencies you'll be playing with. And don't forget about these three dots here. Clicking on them will reveal more options for fine-tuning. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.